Here I am at the fabled North Shore of Hawaii, and this is Sharks Cove. Dry land is not a myth. Waiting for my kids to get home. It's gonna be cool. I gotta go charge the drone. I'm gonna have a night drone fly. I'm gonna let the kids fly the drone, and I'll be videotaping the good flying. My daughter's a good flyer. So. Sailor, they're pretty good. She hasn't almost crashed it yet. Like, she just moves the sticks really fast a lot, but she's really good. And she's two. Leia's like, she knows how to control it pretty good. We'll walk back to the house through this mud.
Making it go more higher.
Wow, that's pretty high, Leia. Wow, you make it come back to us? Okay, mate.
Can we make it land in the mud?
You landing it?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, Leia. Okay, Leia, you gonna land it? Okay, Leia. Oh, good job, Leia. And now we press this to turn it off.
Hey, Dad, can I go get it?
Okay, Leia, you can go get it now.
Oh, I just saw a little crab.
Oh, little crab right there?
It moved under the rock.
Oh, yeah, he probably lives in that little hole under your foot.
Let's go get it. Hey, I was going to go get it.
Oh, I'm flying it. Sorry, Leia.